Are you joking? What are you doing? Are you eating the leftovers? You're eating the cracker crumbs that you dropped? What are you doing? Are you a silly boy? Are you a silly boy? Israel. What? What are you doing? Come here. Go see Mama. What's so funny? What's so funny? Come here. What's so funny? What? What'd you find? No, going back for another piece of cracker? What are you doing? What are you doing? Israel.